This is gonna be exciting for me today because my package from Colourpop arrived today. So there's the free brush. I think it's like a foundation brush. So I have the no filter concealer, and this one is in medium 28. No filter setting powder. Next is the Colourpop no filter foundation, and I have in medium dark 15. So, sorry, I have something on my lip. I just finished eating lunch. I'm really liking this foundation and the concealer and the setting powder, all of it. And it's not cakey, and there's no creasing, and it feels really light on my skin. It doesn't feel like I have so much makeup on my face. And yeah, so I really like it. And I think the only complaint that I have is that I hope that the foundation have a lid on it, because you don't want it to be contaminated or anything like that. And especially if you want to travel and you're gonna bring the container and you don't want it to be, make a mess. But yeah, and then yeah, I hope that they would put a lid on it. But overall, I really like the no filter products from Colourpop. But yeah, and oh, I'm liking my eye makeup. But anyway, thank you for tuning in with me today. Thank you for watching me, and thank you for you guys for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, until next time.